circles around your face that are brown.
Do you know anybody who has freckles?
Next. This is my watermelon lip gloss, and it's pretty because it tastes good and you can lick it off. It's mine because Santa brought it and I really liked it, and it's yellow.
And what did Santa bring you that's on your fingers?
Lip gloss. I'm showing that.
Okay. Put the lid back on. And then show us what's on your fingers.
This is my nail polish, and I like it because it has...
See your feet. Let's see your hand. And
Mama,
did I paint those for you? Or did you paint them yourself?
I painted them myself.
Yeah.
Mama,
What?
this is already unscrewed.
No, no, no. Put it back. Put it back.
Why not?
Put the bottle back. Put it back.
Why not just paint my nails now?
I'll paint your toes tomorrow.
Okay, Mama. Next! These are my lipsticks, and I like this one because it's not real. It's just a pretend mirror made out of wood.
No, it's real.
No, it's not. Look.
Yes, it is.